Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking to enjoy comfort no matter where you go, then you need to get one of these Vista portable hammocks by Yellow Leaf. They are fantastic. They are sturdy and durable, and the setup and teardown time is so fast and easy. You almost don't even need the instructions. That's how easy it is. It even comes with its own carrying case that wears backpack style. So if you are hiking, if you're camping, if you are on the road and you just need to sit down in comfort for a little bit and enjoy the view, then it's easy to take this out and set it up and get relaxed. You are going to be the envy of everyone else in their uncomfortable folding camping chair when you come out with this hammock. They're going to see you so nice and relaxed and comfortable, and they're going to ask you where you got yours. I love my Yellow Leaf hammock, and I know that you're going to love yours too. And that's my point of view.